why a man who is stable is more attractive than a man who is intense, and how to master the balance. Why stability trumps intensity, mastering the emotional balance. The psychology of attraction, stability versus intensity. Intensity is often mistaken for passion, but in the realm of dark psychology and seduction, uncontrolled intensity is frequently perceived as emotional desperation. When a man is too intense, meaning he is constantly chasing, over-communicating, and reacting heavily to every minor change in a woman's mood, he creates pressure. This pressure forces her to move away to find breathing room, which inadvertently triggers the need for him to chase even harder. Stability, on the other hand, is the ability to maintain your emotional center regardless of external circumstances. A stable man provides a sense of safety and security, but more importantly, he maintains mystery. When a woman pulls away, entering the red light or blackout phases, an intense man reacts by increasing his effort, whereas a stable man responds by giving space. This lack of reaction is what actually builds attraction, because it signals that your sense of self-worth is not dependent on her immediate attention. Step-by-step guide to mastering the balance. To master this balance, you must learn to navigate the emotional rhythm using the principles found within the traffic light framework. Phase 1. Build interest without overwhelming. The goal: create curiosity and emotional connection through playful engagement rather than heavy emotional declarations. The action: use playful teasing and active listening. Instead of being intense by telling her everything you feel, be stable by sharing interesting stories and personal qualities while keeping a hint of mystery. The balance: if you feel the urge to be intense, such as sending long, heavy messages, pull back slightly. This prevents you from becoming predictable. Phase 2. Navigating the withdrawal. The goal: to handle her pulling away without losing your emotional center. The action: if she shows signs of away or a hard red light, do not increase your intensity to fix it. Instead, use stability. The strategy: respond with calm dignity. If she says she needs space, say, "I understand." Take the time you need, and then actually stop initiating contact. This prevents the chase and forces her to feel your absence. Phase 3. Distinguishing tests from effort. The goal: to ensure your stability isn't mistaken for lack of care. The action: when she sends tests such as low investment messages like, "Hey," or a random meme, do not react with high intensity by sending a paragraph in return. Stay stable and brief. The reconnection: wait until she shows genuine effort, such as vulnerability, apologies, or wanting to meet. Only once she has put in the effort should you return to your warm, engaged self. The biggest mistake: the chase reaction loop. The biggest mistake any man can make is reacting with increased intensity when a woman decreases her investment. If she pulls away, and your immediate reaction is to try harder, talk more, and demand more attention, you're effectively chasing. Chasing is an intense behavior that signals you are trying to regain control. This actually pushes her further away, because it creates a sense of pressure rather than desire. To master the balance, you must learn that the way to get closer to someone who is pulling away is to step back, not to lean in. The Master's Toolkit for Emotional Control. Personal advice: do not make your stability a mere tactic or a game. If you are only stable because you want her to chase you, she will eventually sense the lack of authenticity. True stability comes from self-focus. Build a life that is so fulfilling that even if she never reaches out, you would still be okay. This makes your way of being able to pull back feel natural and powerful. Simple rule to remember: respond, don't react. A reaction is an intense emotional reflex. A response is a stable, conscious choice. Key truth: predictability kills attraction. If she knows exactly how you will react every time she pulls away, you become predictable and lose your mystery. The golden rule: never chase attention. Invite it by being a person worth chasing. The stability formula: true attraction equals consistent warmth divided by emotional reactivity. Note: as your effort increases, keep your emotional reactivity low to maintain the highest level of attraction. Thank you for using the Ultimate Edition of Love Map. Make sure to like and subscribe our Love Map YouTube channel so you will know what the latest update on this powerful AI model